So in this last video, I'm going to show you some ways that you can evaluate and combat fake news, or even teach that to a student audience. And we're going to address that in two ways. The first would be teaching media and literacy. And the second part would be showing students how to understand how to use fact-checking tools. And there's a litany of them. We're going to talk about two today. So let's go over these things. The first thing in teaching media literacy is being mindful of these three essential skills. The first one would be providing purposeful search using advanced search techniques. Second would be effectively organizing and collaborating, being able to organize all information into a comprehensive and growing library of personal knowledge. And the third thing would be sharing and making sense of information, sharing what we find, using our knowledge for others to help make sense of the information that we receive. So these three practices integrated on a daily basis in the classroom will begin helping teach media literacy. Next, I'd like to include the following links here. These are amazing tools to use. There's factcheck.org, which is great for keeping up on current events, and you also have Snopes. Now, if we click here, you can see what's really beneficial about factcheck.org. That is when, of course, my computer loads. So what I really like about factcheck.org is it keeps up to date with current hot topics, which as a teacher, you always have to stay up on. So it allows you almost in real time to combat fake news and fact check things. And that way you can closely vet what enters your classroom. I'd like to revert back because we're going to check out Snopes. And what I like about this tool is you can put in different topics. So if you're concerned about like elections or election fraud, that's been a hot topic this week, you can put that in and you'll find a litany of sources related to that. So taking you a few steps further, I'd like to ask this essential question. How can teachers incorporate these methods of evaluating fake news into the classrooms? The answers I propose are as follows. Begin by teaching rhetorical concepts, pathos, ethos, logos, fallacies, and ways to address those. Understanding fallacies as you see them. So giving those fallacies names and giving students opportunities to see those fallacies happening in a variety of media, incorporating current events, and using fact-checking sources that I just showed you. And lastly, incorporating exercises from the readings of Morrow and Lagarde and Hudgens, because they provide some really good structures in implementing lessons as well as tools for assessing. And we go to the sources here. These are all the things that we sourced in this presentation. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope this was really beneficial. Bye-bye now.